Devya Sajjana Patanjali Power Vita प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 2 के इस असली दंगल में अब है महादंगल, यानी कि अब है पुरुषों के 97 यानी कि 97 किलोग्राम वर्ग की कुश्ती। और एनसीआर पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के कृष्ण कुमार। पतंजलि पावर वीटा प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 2 के इस असली दंगल में अब जयपुर निंजास की ओर से आ रहे हैं जॉर्जिया मूल के अलीजबार ओरिकाड्से।
This is Elizbar Ozikadze, the captain of Jaipur Ninjas, but he's up against Krishan Kumar of NCR Punjab Royals, the 25-year-old in the men's 97 kg category, Commonwealth Championship silver for Krishan Kumar. So Saudi Cup as well is where he competed and won bronze. So Krishan has his task cut out because he's up against the more experienced Elizbar Ozikadze. Finished just outside the medals at the Olympics at Rio, but did have a silver to his name at the European Games, the European Championships. He won a bronze medal as well in 2016. So this promises to be a very interesting contest. The last bout in the tie today, and Vesna Pepaske is going to be the referee for this bout. I'm Raman Vanot, with me is Ajay Mehra. And Ajay, well, the tie already in favor of Jaipur Ninjas, and they can consolidate that lead from 4-2 to make it 5-2 now in this final bout.
Yes, absolutely, Raman, and I think Elizbar has got all the experience behind him. He's a very seasoned campaigner, as you mentioned, finishing in the 5th position in the Rio Olympics 2016. He's done well in the European Championship as well, winning a bronze out there in 2016 and a silver in 15 in European Games. So he's got all the experience behind him. It's a tough match as far as Kishan Kumar is concerned, because he doesn't have and possess that experience that Elizbar has. And you can see straight away, he's on the move here, getting some hold.
Couple of points there picked up by Elizbar Ozikadze. So he's opened the scoring with that maneuver just at the edge of that safety zone.
Although I thought he had a very, very strong grip in the end, as you rightly mentioned, was just outside the safety zone when the referee stopping play. But just see, he's attacking all the time, trying to go for the single leg tackle, not getting much hold on that one. Good defense, although, from Kishan Kumar.
And Ajay, remember, this is the men's 97 kg category. So these are the two heaviest grapplers on display today. You know, in this weight category, you generally don't see the kind of alacrity that Elizbar Ozikadze is showing. He's so quick as the Georgian, moving around on the mat very quickly. Kishan Kumar, for most of that opening minute, was actually running for cover.
And you can see, you know, his body weight is backward. He's moving back. He knows that Elizbar is going for the single leg tackle. He's making the move now, just getting a bit of hold, bit of control, and the indication from the referee that he'll manage that 1 point, but outside the safety zone. In fact, a couple of points for him.
Yeah, because he managed to get behind Kishan Kumar just as they were at the edge of that safety area. He got behind him, so picked up 2 more points. 4-0 is the lead for Elizbar Ozikadze of Georgia, and now he'll manage 2 more points. In fact, he's gotten behind Kishan Kumar quite comfortably.
Yeah, I think he's making the right moves, and he's full in control here. Kishan's got to be attacking, looking for some other moves, because Elizbar, you feel he's got hold exactly knows what to do. Back into the neutral position now.
You could look at the eagerness that Ozikadze was showing. You're saying, hang on, let's get on with it. He can sense, he can smell a victory.
Yeah, absolutely. Also, you know, a thing to see out here, Raman, is that not much pressure on him because his team, they have won this tie. They have performed well and he's the captain. So he knows that individually he has to win, but not much pressure as far as the team is concerned because they already sealed the tie in their favor, the Jaipur Ninjas.
Absolutely spot on. But any which way, I think looking at the contest on paper, it is tilted heavily in favor of Elizbar Ozikadze, the Georgian, up against Krishan Kumar. Krishan's yet to get a point on the score sheet against the Georgian.
But this is a great platform as well for Kishan Kumar. You know, this is what this league has brought in. You're playing against the best grapplers in the world, the experience, the learning curve, the tricks of the trade you learn very quickly. At the moment, going just marginally outside the safety zone, pushing him away.
And he will get 1 point because Georgian has managed to push Krishan Kumar out of that safety area. So one more point, 7-0 is the score. Just a few seconds left in this opening round.
Just feel Kishan has to try something else because he's moving backwards. Elizbar is up on the hunt here. That's the end of round one, belonging to the Georgian. The captain leading from the front, Ozikadze, has done well so far. Second round just about to commence. Kishan Kumar has to attack more. He's got to look for points. It's going to be tough work for him. Elizbar Ozikadze very strong, technically skilled as well. And also just seeing this heavyweight category, the way he's moving around, the agility, the swiftness he's shown. Looking very, very agile, always looking for a single leg tackle. He's keeping himself very low here, Elizbar. Jaipur leading 7-0. Remember, he's a captain as well. This last bout in today's tie. Jaipur Ninjas playing for the first time in this Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2. And they have performed very well. Good defensive work by Kishan Kumar, just moving backwards. Knows exactly what Elizbar is doing. Somehow you feel he's got to attack, he's got to look for points. He's trailing 7-0 here. Kishan Kumar, not going to be very easy. Fifth position, Elizbar Ozikadze got in the Rio Olympics in 2016. Played in many international tournaments. Very, very experienced. Got a gold medal in the Senior National Championship in 2016, Kishan Kumar. And this is the reason this is such a wonderful platform for him. The tie score 4-2 in favor of Jaipur. Remember, 7 bouts up in a tie in a day between the two teams. So this tie has gone in favor of the Jaipur Ninjas. And this time, once again, just near the safety zone, getting some hold here. Will be a couple of points here for Elizbar. That's the indication as well from the referee. He's moving in very, very swiftly. 11-0. Mr. Karthikeya Sharma, the man behind the show, shown great vision as far as this league is concerned, along with Sunny Doyle. 11-0. This contest in favor of Elizbar. Kishan so far, work for him, not very easy against a world-class grappler. Remember, he was sold for 25.5 lakhs. Elizbar Ozikadze, and he's proving his mettle so far. Heavyweight category, using a lot of power, a lot of upper body for the grapplers. And the crowds are really enjoying themselves. They're having a feast of time here, party time. We've seen some wonderful contests throughout the day, some wonderful bouts, and once again going over that safety zone. Will be another point here for Elizbar, pushing his opponent Kishan out of the safety zone. He's really done a wonderful job so far, Elizbar. Really no answers for Kishan Kumar. Great tough work. Once again looking for that double leg tackle this time. Not able to get that tight hold. But just see the swiftness, just see the agility, the footwork. Moving behind Kishan Kumar. Hasn't opened his account. And will be the end of the tie with these few points added to his kitty. That's the end of this bout as well. In favor of Elizabeth Ortigadze. He's done a wonderful job. Jaipur Ninjas have already won the tie. But Elizabeth proving his mettle once again, showing his experience and winning this bout 12-0 in favor of the Jaipur Ninjas. So this has been a great teamwork by the Jaipur Ninjas. The coach, the support staff, all would be very, very happy the way they have started in their second season of the Pro Wrestling League. And all the crowds that have turned up at the Indira Gandhi International Stadium out here in Delhi have seen some wonderful wrestling contests. 7 bouts altogether and 14-0 in favor of Elizabeth Ortigadze, the last bout of the day. Kishan Kumar not having many answers and Elizabeth winning by the points difference.